What's the meaning of Albert Einstein? Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein was a German-born physicist who developed the theory of relativity, one of the two pillars of modern physics. He is widely considered to be one of the most influential scientists of the 20th century. Einstein's work is also known for its impact on philosophy and politics. He won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his discovery of the law of the photoelectric effect. Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, showed that mass and energy are interchangeable, fundamentally changing the way we understand the universe.